I'm here with the Rains today in the colony, and we just did a beautiful fence for them. We got the sliding gate, board on board, Western red cedar rails, and we got Japanese cedar pickets, and we got a medium brown stain on it. So I just wanted to ask y'all, what made y'all choose us, basically?
I was hopping around on the internet, and these guys were the third to call us back, and we chose On Point, and we're glad we did. They've done a excellent job.
Plus the fact that they listen to me. You know, a lot of companies will send somebody out and they'll only deal with the male of the family. But these guys listen to every suggestion, every problem I had with everything, and they made sure that everything was perfect before they finished construction.
Always got to make sure the wife's happy, so it's always a joint decision. We always try to ask everyone, whoever's involved, of what kind of things they want, so we can bring y'all's vision to life, because that is what we do over here. We want to make sure everyone's happy at the end of the day.
Yeah, we had our first party last night, and everyone thought it was a great event.
Hey, perfect. And then they got the nice solar panel up there too, so they don't need that direct power all the time. They got backup batteries in there, and then they got remote access through their phones and through the clickers, and I think there's a keypad outside too, so
Yeah,
you're covered all ends, basically.
Yeah. It is perfect.
Well, it was great doing business with y'all. Thank y'all again. Hey, thank y'all.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thanks a lot, Mo.
Perfect.